This is what we try to do daily with our pups. More of a massage. We have handling that we do, just playing and handling and getting them used to different movements and different people. But this is the part that we do to kind of get them to relax and might be familiar with the T-Touch. We've been doing some reading on that and see the value in being able to massage with the pups. This helps them really calm down on the ears. You can see this puppy is really relaxing. So we encourage our families, I think even more so when they go home and puppies have been used to being massaged and relaxed, that this is kind of an extension of when you have your puppy at home to continue with this kind of touch. Now we're going to flip. This is Little Miss Blue in Ina's litter. You can see the blue toe. It's quite painted. They're usually a little bit nervous when they go on their back. And we'll give the puppy a little bit of time to relax. This is a really vulnerable position for a pup. So this is really good. And we just picked this pup out of the litter. Didn't choose one that was really good for the video. I didn't know who we were going to pick. So this is what we work on. You can see she's not quite ready to relax her arms yet. Work through to the toes. You think about those of you who've had massage yourself. There, she's relaxed a little bit more. Who've had massage yourself, what that does for you. There, you can see she's relaxing and giving me her whole leg. And I try to stay in constant contact with the puppy, with their skin and their body, so that they can feel this continuous touch. This is a more intentional type of handling that we do. You can hear the little puppy just relaxing and groaning a little bit. Let's try this one arm again. Up and over, good. As most of you have read, we really work on building trust, and we're all about the relationship here in our program. And this is just one of those ways that we start that early on with our puppies. And the great thing about that is that this is all the puppies know. So when they come to you, this is all they know, is the trust. And they're not afraid of that, of the handling. So I hope that gives you a little look into what we do. Again, I'd like to say we do this every day, but we really do try to have this kind of intensive time of more of a therapeutic touch. And then we usually finish up with just an all-over body. Yeah.